Unicellular organisms.
On completion of this unit, the student will be able to identify some unicellular organisms, describe life processes of some unicellular organisms.
A cell is the smallest unit of living matter. Some living organisms are composed of a single cell, whereas the others are a collection of millions of cells. These organisms that are made up of only one cell are known as unicellular organisms. Bacteria are a very common example of unicellular organisms. Now, let us explore some unique unicellular organisms. This is a paramecium. It is a unicellular organism belonging to the kingdom Protista. Unlike bacteria, they have complex internal structures. This is what a paramecium looks when seen through a microscope. An amoeba is a single-cell organism that does not have a fixed shape. It projects parts of its cell to create jelly-like tentacles called pseudopodia. This is how an amoeba looks when seen through a microscope. This is Euglena. Euglena is an interesting organism as it is a sort of combination of plant and animal. It can make its own food like plants as it has chlorophyll in it. The Euglena has a bright red eye spot which is sensitive to light and helps the Euglena to protect itself. It has a whippy tail called flagellum that allows it to move through water. Next is yeast, a member of the fungus group. Yeast is an essential ingredient in many bakery products. The most common mode of reproduction in yeast is budding. A small bud is formed on the parent cell. The bud detaches itself and starts behaving like a mature cell. Yeast cells look like little round or oval blobs under a microscope. This is Chlamydomonas. It is a type of unicellular green algae. Chlamydomonas has a cell wall, a chloroplast, an eye that perceives light, and two anterior flagella. When we prepare a slide of lake water, Chlamydomonas can be easily seen. A unicellular organism is any life form that consists of just a single cell. In the world of unicellular organisms, bacteria serve as the majority.
Let us answer some questions to revise our learning about unicellular organisms. Which unicellular organism contributes in baking industry? The correct answer is yeast. Which unicellular organism is autotrophic? The correct answer is Euglena. Which unicellular organism does not have specific shape of its body? The correct answer is amoeba. Which unicellular is a fungus and reproduces by budding? The correct answer is yeast. Which one is a unicellular green algae? The correct answer is Chlamydomonas.